Hey everybody, this is Richard, and today's the 23rd of August. Today's a Wednesday, and I wanted to just highlight these three trades that we had on the Elite Trader. Now what you'll see in the top right is the Emerald Long. You can see that it bought at around, I believe it was around 44.17, and then the two day trades, the day trade long V1 and the day trade long V2, are in the bottom middle and the bottom right. The bottom middle is the V1 and the bottom right is the V2. But as this chart shows, though, we also bought at also around 44.17 on that one. So we're actually long three contracts, though, and as the video is playing. And so in the top right, you'll see the matrix shows that we're up about 2,800, somewhere in there. That's dollars. That's per unit traded. So if somebody was in one Elite Trader, they would be long three S&P contracts right now. One on the Emerald Long, and one on the day trade long V1, and one on the day trade long V2. Now notice the stop is at 44.11 on both of the day trade longs, but pretty soon, once we break out to hit a new high, you're going to see it move one of the stops to break even. And that's what the V2 does. So the V2 has a trailing stop, and there it goes. So you see how it moved to 44.20 roughly. So that's pretty much a break-even stop, and so that's the V2 that does that. So the V1 keeps its stop at 44.11, which is about a $350 stop roughly, and the V2 though is originally at 44.11, but then it moves that stop to break even. Now the other algos that are traded in the Elite Trader are the Geronimo ES. That's an overnight algo. That's the one on the bottom left. And that's the one that will hold overnight. It's a swing trade, but notice we haven't had a trade in that one in a few weeks actually, and so it's been staying out of the way as the market has been going lower. But the Emerald Short is the one that is in the top middle, and it had a trade a few days ago that I believe it was profitable, but it hasn't had a trade today. But the Emerald Long is the one in the top left. I'm sorry, the top right. That's the Emerald Long. And that's the third algo that's in right now. And so again, we're in three trades, three different algorithms: the day trade long V1, day trade long V2, and then the Emerald Long. Now the Emerald Long is the one that it also has a stop, but the stop is fairly far away. And so what it does in TradeStation is it'll show the limit price, the exit price, but not the stop on that one. But as of right now, though, the market has taken off higher, and now it's at about up $5,000 on these three trades. And so, but as the day continues, you'll see that we eventually get out with a real solid gain on all three of these. But let me do the risk disclosure. So keep in mind that trading futures involves substantial risk of loss. It's not appropriate for all investors. Remember, I'm not a CTA. I'm what's called a third-party developer for the algorithms under a letter of direction. And so just remember that trading futures, it does involve substantial risk of loss. It's not appropriate for everyone, and past performance is not indicative of future performance. But as so eventually though, you're going to see these trades exit. First, the Emerald Long will exit, and when it does, it has a gain of about $1,446. And so that's the Emerald Long. The day trade long V1 and day trade long V2 both have exit at the close of the market, and so that's a gain of about 1,480 on both of those. And so combined, if you look at the Elite Trader, the total gain was a gain of $4,406 per unit traded. Now remember, the Elite Trader trades in $35,000 unit sizes, so that's a gain of about 12.59% today. So pretty incredible, right? I mean, we actually captured a pretty massive gain on three different strategies. And so combined a gain again of about 12.59%. Now the Smar Pivot 3, what it trades is the Geronimo ES, that swing trade on the bottom left. It also trades the day trade long V1 and then the Emerald Long as well. And so it was in the V1, which was a gain of 1,480, but also the Emerald Long, which had a gain of 1,446. So combined, that's a gain of $2,296 per unit traded. And this one, Smart Pivot trades in $25,000 unit sizes, so that's a gain of 11.7%. Now here in the video you see the Smar Pivot got out, and then you see the day trade long V1 and V2 get out, and you see those trades execute at the market, and the matrix shows that nothing is, that we're not in anything anymore. Now if you're looking for a fully automated trading system, that's exactly what we offer. So we offer the Elite Trader, trades in 35K unit sizes, trades all 5 strategies that you see here. We also offer the Smart Pivot, trades the Geronimo ES, day trade long V1, and then the Emerald long as well. That one trades in 25K unit sizes. And then we also have the Basic Trader, which trades the day trade long V1, which also had that gain that you saw today. And then the Trader Plus trades the day trade long V1, Emerald long, and Emerald short. And so we have a few different configurations, but basically if you're looking for a fully automated trading system, one where you don't have to watch charts, you don't get an email telling you to place the trade. It's all automatically done with one of the auto execution brokers that support the algorithms. We have a few different brokers you can choose from, and so these are fully automated though. There's really no experience needed. We all get the same fill across, at least if you're on the same broker. So anyone who's on the first broker would get the same fill as everyone else that's on that same broker. But if you'd like to get more information, you can reach out to my company. You can give us a call. You can shoot me an email at richard@AlgorithmicTrading.net, or you can just fill out one of the forms on the website, and I'd be happy to give you a demo or walk you through the algos and show you, answer any questions that you might have. But, today was a pretty incredible day. I mean, every day's not like today, obviously. Otherwise, that would be pretty much the Holy Grail. But, yeah, today was a great day. But the algorithms, they don't make money every day. They don't make money every month. We do have losing months, but today was just an incredible day, and I was lucky that I had the video rolling so that I could do this video and kind of highlight it and show you just how good these algos can do, especially when they catch an uptrend like it did today. Now, remember too that August, the month of August, the market has been down, and you can see it here on this chart. Well, all 3 of the futures algos that we offer are up in the month of August. So we do good even though the market is going lower. We're actually up a decent amount on all of them. And so if you have any questions, why don't you just reach out to us and let me know, and we'll answer any questions that you have. But thank you again for watching, and I hope you have a great day. Bye-bye.